Hey everyone, ever find yourself wishing you could shop the world from your couch? Imagine having access to countless stores and products without ever leaving your home. I mean, who doesn't love a good deal? The thrill of finding that perfect item at a bargain price is unbeatable. That's where online sourcing comes in handy. It opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to explore and compare products from different sellers. It's like having a global marketplace right at your fingertips. You can shop from international stores as easily as local ones. No more crowded malls or limited choices. Say goodbye to long lines and hello to convenience. You can find anything online, from cool gadgets to stylish clothes. The variety is endless, catering to all your needs and wants, and the best part? You can often get them at amazing prices. Discounts and deals are just a click away. It's like treasure hunting, but from the comfort of your home. Each package feels like a little gift to yourself. But with so many online platforms out there, it can be tough to know where to start. The choices can be overwhelming. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm here to guide you through the best options. Today, we're diving into the world of AliExpress, a platform that's become a go-to for savvy shoppers worldwide. Let's explore what makes it so special and how you can make the most of it. So, what exactly is AliExpress? Let's dive in and take a closer look. In a nutshell, it's a massive online retail platform that connects buyers, that's us, with sellers, mainly from China. But it's not just limited to China. Sellers from other countries also use the platform. Think of it like a giant online bazaar, but with millions of products and even more deals. It's like having a global marketplace at your fingertips, available 24/7. AliExpress was launched back in 2010 by the Alibaba Group, a Chinese e-commerce giant. Since then, it has grown exponentially, becoming a household name in online shopping. It quickly gained popularity for its vast selection and competitive prices. Shoppers from all over the world flock to AliExpress for its unbeatable deals. We're talking about over 100 million products across tons of categories. From fashion and electronics to home goods and beauty products, the variety is staggering. You name it, they've probably got it. Whether you're looking for the latest tech gadgets or unique home decor, AliExpress has something for everyone. And with millions of active sellers from all over the world, you're sure to find some hidden gems. The platform's diversity ensures that there's always something new to discover. Now let's talk about how to actually use AliExpress. It's super user-friendly, promise. First things first, you'll need to create an account. It's free and easy. Just head to their website or download the app. Once you're all set up, you can start browsing. Use the search bar to look for specific items or explore their categories. When you find something you like, click on it to see more details. You'll see product descriptions, images, pricing, shipping info, and reviews from other buyers. Reading reviews is key. It gives you a better idea of the product quality and the seller's reliability. Section 4. Why choose AliExpress? Okay, so why should you consider AliExpress for your sourcing needs? Let's dive into the details. Well, let's break it down. First off, the prices are incredibly competitive. You can often find products on AliExpress significantly cheaper than you would from local retailers or even other online platforms. This is because you're often buying directly from manufacturers or wholesalers, cutting out the middleman. This direct approach not only reduces costs, but also ensures that you get the best possible deals. Additionally, many sellers offer bulk purchase discounts, making it even more economical for businesses or individuals looking to buy in larger quantities. Second, the variety is unmatched. Seriously, it's like a bottomless pit of awesome stuff. Whether you're looking for trendy fashion pieces, unique home decor, or cool tech gadgets, you're bound to find it on AliExpress. The platform hosts millions of products across countless categories, ensuring that there's something for everyone. From niche items to everyday essentials, the options are virtually limitless. Whether you're looking for trendy fashion pieces, unique home decor, or cool tech gadgets, you're bound to find it on AliExpress. Plus, new products are constantly being added, so there's always something fresh to discover. Third, AliExpress offers buyer protection. While it's important to be aware of potential scams, more on that later, AliExpress has measures in place to protect buyers. If your order doesn't arrive or arrives significantly different from the description, you can usually get a full or partial refund. This assurance makes shopping on AliExpress a safer and more reliable experience. Their customer service is also quite responsive, helping to resolve any issues you might encounter. So with competitive prices, an unmatched variety, and solid buyer protection, AliExpress stands out as a top choice for online shopping. Section 5. AliExpress adventures await. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to navigating the world of AliExpress. It's a fantastic platform for finding great deals on a massive variety of products. Just remember to do your research, read reviews carefully, and be patient with shipping times. Now go forth and explore the wonders of AliExpress. Happy shopping!